County Supervisor Tara Lawson-Remer wants to provide lawyers to immigrants facing deportation at our border. She announced the plan today, saying that it will help with the backlog in courts and ultimately, she believes, save taxpayer dollars.
ABC 10 News anchor Vanessa Van Hefty has the cost of the program and why one lawmaker is already fighting it.
Mustafi Hassan is from Ethiopia. Through a translator, he shared his story. He fled a civil war in his country only to be detained at the Otay Mesa detention facility where no one could speak his language.
I was like a blind person and I didn't have any help.
Immigration trials can last 18 months, but local nonprofits swooped in to give him a lawyer. And now he says he's living the American dream. Supervisor Tara Lawson-Remer wants to help others like him. A lawyer herself, she is proposing the creation of the Immigrant Rights Legal Defense Program, which will fund lawyers to represent detained immigrants in San Diego County. It will start as a $5 million year-long pilot with the hope of becoming permanent in partnership with the county and nonprofits.
By partnering with the nonprofit community, I think we're going to be able to expand pretty quickly, as well as through the public defender's office.
Only 17% of detainees in San Diego have legal representation, according to the American Immigration Council. Attorney defender Mike Garcia calls it the socially moral thing to do.
Studies have indicated that individuals in immigration court who have attorneys representation, they overwhelmingly fare far better when it comes to avoiding pre-hearing incarceration. These same studies also show that with representation, individuals, they stand a greater chance of avoiding deportation and remaining employed to provide for their spouses and their children.
Meantime, Republican Congressman Darrell Issa has been critical of the immigration policies in California and the country. In a statement, he says, in part, we need San Diego County leaders to help end our current border crisis, not create new entitlements that make the problem worse. Vanessa Van Hefty, ABC 10 News.
We did reach out to County Supervisors Jim Desmond and Joel Anderson for their thoughts, but are waiting to hear back. A vote on the program is set for May 4th. It needs a 3-vote majority to pass.